Let's see how you can easily manage the leads generated from a chatbot automation using the pipelines. So in the pipelines, you can have different stages for leads and easily track and organize those leads accordingly as well. So let's see how you can achieve this one right here. So here I'm in a demo account and I have connected all the support channels like Facebook page, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels you see right here. And here, if you want to create a pipeline, you can go to the pipelines option over here. So choose pipelines option where you can easily create the pipeline boards as you wish. For example, let me create a new one. So let me add this one, and here let's say I want to create this one for the leads. So here choose opportunity center over here. All right, and here you can actually create different stages as you wish. For example, it says lead. For example, let me add one more stage saying appointment scheduled. Lead, and let me say appointment scheduled. All right, and let me create a new one saying clients. All right, so here we have different stages right here, and as you wish you can actually create different stages right here as well. And here once you get new leads, they will show up right here, and you can easily move these leads within different stages as you wish as well. All right, so here this is the opportunity center it says, but let me change this name to a different one. So here let me change this one related to, let's say, fitness leads. So let me say fitness leads. All right, so I have changed the name as well. So now if you want to send the leads to this specific pipeline, you need to set the automation as well. So here let me go to the flow section. So here we have a sample flow as well for the fitness coach lead generation demo. So this is the sample flow. So here this is the flow looks like. So a very simple flow. So it simply asks them whether they can actually ask quick 3 questions. So if they say yes, we simply ask the main fitness goal, how many days they can work out, how do you describe the current fitness level, and then finally after these questions we see based on the answers the best next step is to schedule a quick strategy call where I can create a custom workout plan for you, and we simply ask them to provide the phone number right here. Simple as that. So here once they provide the phone number, we simply say a member of our team will contact you soon. So here once they provide the phone number, we can actually add those leads into the specific pipeline we have just created as in the lead stage right here as well. So member can call and book the appointment if they actually really qualified, and then they can proceed as well. All right, so here let's add an action over here. So you can use the existing action right here, or you can actually add a new action block and do that as well. So let me use the existing action block, and you have to choose the pipeline option over here, and here you have to choose add contact to the pipeline. So we are going to add this particular contact to the pipeline, so you have to select the pipeline which is fitness leads, and here you can add the name as well. So opportunity name, you can simply say user ID just for the demo, and here you can assign specific admins if you want it, and here you can choose the stage. So we want to add them in the lead stage right here. All right, and let me say as I want to assign static media as well. All right, and you can set the due date if you want as well. So let me click continue over here. All right, so this particular lead will be added to the pipeline when they go through this specific automation right here. Let me click on publish. All right, so once they provide the phone number, we simply say a perfect member of our team will contact you soon, and then we transfer the conversation and assign the conversation as well. So let's see how this actually works. The flow name is fitness coach lead generation demo. All right, so let's trigger this through the Instagram comments, so it can work on the Facebook comments and other channels too. So let me go to the marketing tools, Instagram comments automation, and let me create a new one, and let me say fitness pipeline demo. All right, and here you can choose all posts, so you can simply work on the past and the future post and reels as well. And the private reply, you have to choose the specific flow which is fitness coach lead generation, and the public comment reply, you can simply say send you a DM, or you can say DM send, etc. And here you can actually set up a specific keyword to trigger this automation. So let me say fit. So if they comment as fit, then we can trigger this automation right here, and you have more options as well. You can even delay these responses if you want. All right, and click on save. All right, it has been saved and it's active as well. So now let's test how this actually works. So here this is the specific flow will get triggered when they comment as fit on Instagram. So let me share my phone screen over here. All right, and let me open a random post over here and add the comment which we set up fit. All right, I just add the comment and let's see how this actually works. All right, here we receive the message. It says, "Hey Robert, can I ask you 3 questions to help you recommend the best workout plan for you?" And here if you click on see post, we should have received the comment reply as well saying DM sent. Simple as that. So now let me go back to the messages over here and say yes, sure, and then it will ask those questions right there. What's the main fitness goal? That's the first question right there. So here, lose weight, build muscle, or improve fitness. So let me say lose weight. All right, and then it will simply ask how many days per week you realistically work out, and here let me say 2 to 3 days. All right, and the final question is right here, is that about the current fitness level. So let me say beginner. Thanks for sharing. Based on the answers we can help you, and it simply asks to provide a phone number as well. So let me provide a phone number 917-243-5699. all right, I just provided the phone number as well. So let's see what happens over here. So it will say perfect, one of our team member will contact you soon, and it will simply transfer the chat to the human as well. All right, so now if I go to the pipelines, so in the pipelines we should see that specific lead right there. So pipelines, so here we see one lead for the fitness leads pipeline right here. So let me see what happens over here. So here is from the Instagram, it's assigned to the specific agent as well, and here you see the lead. So you can even assign specific values as well, so you can easily tap on this lead and see all these details right here. If you want, you can add any descriptions, and if you want to access the inbox, you can tap right here and access the chat right here as well. Otherwise you can also access the chat via unified inbox in the main dashboard, and you can check the chat right here as well. Otherwise you can also access right from the pipelines dashboard as well, so you can send messages if you want and other things as well. All right, so let's say you call this specific customer and schedule an appointment, so you can easily move that lead right here as well. So now this moved right here as well. All right, and once they become the client, you can actually move them right here as well. And if you want to add any sort of values, you can do that as well. For example, let me add like 2000. All right, and click save. All right, I added the value as well. So now if I refresh the page over here, you would see the value is at 2000, and here the fitness leads 2000. And if you want to add a new lead right here from a different contact right here, you can do that as. So you can search for different contacts right here and add the lead as. For example, let me choose a lead and add some random name, and let's say 500, add it. So now I added a different lead right here manually in the specific pipeline as well. Simple as that. So now the total value is 2500. Simple as that. And here you can actually move these leads as you wish as well. And that's a quick video on how you can actually manage the chatbot leads using a pipeline, and it works same on other channels too. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.